AI nowadays defines how we work and establishes a framework that helps us to save hours on repetitive tasks. Whether it's managing data or creating content, AI tools are transforming industries. But the real challenge is delivering impressive results under pressure. So what's the solution? Hiring more staff or outsourcing may seem like options, but they're costly and slow. The real key is using precise, creative content for your marketing and advertising, crafted efficiently to meet high expectations and captivate your audience. By automating tasks like motion tracking and scene detection, content generation becomes fast and precise. This feature helps creative people, particularly those with tight schedules, to handle complex tasks effortlessly, an area many find tedious and challenging. That's where Flux AI comes in, transforming these difficult processes into simple, streamlined steps, letting creators focus more on their vision and less on the technical details. Introduction to Flux AI. Flux AI is built for creators, marketers, and videographers looking to produce polished content with a professional flair in record time. Whether you're crafting a short film, creating a high-end ad, or spicing up your YouTube videos, Flux AI leverages intelligent editing tools that adapt to your style, delivering stunning results effortlessly. From scene detection to dynamic effects, Flux AI is like having an entire production team on standby, just waiting to elevate your videos. Let's explore what makes Flux AI the powerhouse it is for video creation. 1. Scene flow detection. Flux AI's scene flow technology automatically analyzes your footage, identifying transitions, key moments, and different scenes with pinpoint accuracy. It divides your video into easy-to-edit segments, allowing you to polish individual parts without sifting through the entire timeline. It's perfect for cutting down editing time so you can focus on what matters most, creating an impact. 2. Auto color enhancement. Manually adjusting the color and tone of a video can be tedious, but with Flux AI, you get instant professional-grade results. Its auto color enhancement tool scans your footage and applies balance corrections, lifting shadows, fixing exposure, and making your colors pop. Whether you're dealing with underlit indoor shots or overexposed outdoor footage, Flux makes it look cinema-ready with a single click. 3. Smart motion tracking. Need to add motion graphics or text to moving objects in your video? Flux AI's smart motion tracking feature locks onto moving elements in your footage, ensuring that your graphics, captions, or logos follow seamlessly. Whether you're working on a slick product demo or a high-energy vlog, Flux AI makes adding professional overlays a breeze. 4. Dynamic audio balance. Flux AI doesn't just handle visuals, it's got your audio covered too. Its dynamic audio balance feature automatically adjusts sound levels, ensuring dialogue, music, and background sounds are in perfect harmony. No more fiddling with audio tracks for hours. Just upload your footage, and Flux AI delivers crystal clear audio balance effortlessly. 5. AI-powered transitions. Looking to add some creative flair to your content? Its AI-powered transitions suggest smooth, eye-catching transitions between scenes, tailored to the tone of your video. Whether you're aiming for dramatic cuts, subtle fades, or exciting wipes, Flux AI automates transitions so your video feels fluid and engaging from start to finish. Now that you've seen Flux AI's top features, let's dive into how you can get started on your next project. Step 1. Sign up. Visit Flux AI's website and create your account. With an intuitive dashboard at your fingertips, you're ready to kick off your first video project in minutes. Step 2. Upload footage. Drag and drop your clips into Flux AI and watch as the platform instantly gets to work, analyzing and segmenting your footage into scenes. Step 3. Enhance and customize. Fine-tune your video with dynamic effects, motion tracking, and audio enhancements. You can easily apply dynamic effects such as transitions and filters to elevate your visuals. Motion tracking allows you to lock graphics or text onto moving objects seamlessly, adding a professional touch. For sound, you can enhance audio with noise reduction, sound leveling, or add music layers. Step 4. Export and share. Once your video is polished and ready, export it in any format you need. Flux AI makes it easy to share across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Vimeo. Flux AI is a powerful tool that caters to a wide range of professionals, offering tailored features to meet diverse content creation needs. Let's explore 5 key industries where Flux AI can truly make an impact. 1. Marketing teams. In the fast-paced world of marketing, producing high-quality content consistently is essential. Flux AI automates video editing tasks such as color grading, scene detection, and audio balancing, allowing marketing teams to create polished promotional videos or product demos without relying on external video editors. The platform also adapts content for different social media formats, ensuring brand messaging remains consistent across platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. 2. Event organizers. When event organizers capture hours of live footage, editing highlights can be daunting. Flux AI's scene flow detection automatically identifies key moments and cuts unnecessary footage, allowing organizers to deliver crisp highlight reels or promo clips in record time. This helps showcase events quickly and effectively. 3. E-commerce brands. For e-commerce businesses, video content plays a critical role in showcasing products effectively. Flux AI helps brands create engaging product demos or promotional ads with features like auto-color enhancement and dynamic effects. Businesses can produce visually appealing content that highlights their product's features, boosting engagement and conversions without investing heavily in manual editing or professional videographers. 4. Social media managers. In the world of social media, fast content creation is key. Flux AI's auto-color enhancement and smart motion tracking allow social media managers to produce visually stunning and interactive content quickly. Whether it's a promotional reel or a behind-the-scenes clip, the AI-powered tool ensures that videos are high quality and ready for instant sharing across platforms, helping businesses stay relevant and on trend. 5. Education and online courses. For educators and online course creators, Flux AI streamlines video production for tutorials, lectures, and online learning modules. The platform's AI-driven editing features like scene detection and audio enhancements make it easy to produce high-quality educational videos that engage students while minimizing manual effort. This ensures educators can focus on delivering content rather than spending hours on post-production. Flux AI stands out from other editing platforms with a range of features that cater to both creativity and efficiency. Here's what makes Flux AI a game changer. 1. AI that understands your style. Flux AI is equipped with smart AI that not only automates editing tasks but also adapts to your unique creative style. It learns from your previous projects, analyzing your choices in transitions, effects, and pacing. Over time, it tailors its suggestions to fit your personal or brand style, so every video feels like a reflection of your vision without the manual labor. 2. Designed for all platforms. Creating content for multiple platforms can be a hassle, but Flux AI makes it easy. Whether you're posting on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other social media, it automatically adjusts video formats and aspect ratios to fit each platform's requirements. This ensures your content looks professional and optimized, regardless of where it's viewed. 3. Collaborative workspace. Flux AI excels in team projects with its collaborative workspace feature. You can invite multiple team members, share drafts, and leave feedback, all in one place. The platform allows real-time collaboration, so editors can work together seamlessly without the confusion of scattered feedback or endless email chains, speeding up the workflow. 4. Quick, professional results. Time is a precious resource, and Flux AI knows it. Its powerful automation tools allow you to produce professional quality videos in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional editing software. From auto-cutting scenes to syncing sound, it handles tedious tasks so you can focus on the creative aspects. 5. Accessible to everyone. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, Flux AI's intuitive interface makes it easy to jump in. The learning curve is minimal, letting you start producing polished, high-quality videos right away. With this user-friendly design, it's a tool that fits all experience levels. While Flux AI is a powerful tool, it does have areas where it could improve. 1. Limited advanced customization. Flux AI's automation makes it ideal for quick edits, but professional editors might find it lacking in manual control. While it's great for fast, streamlined editing, those who need deeper customization, like color grading, masking, or intricate visual effects, might prefer more robust platforms like DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro. 2. Slower performance with heavy projects. For short-form content, Flux AI is lightning fast. However, when dealing with long-form, complex videos, the platform's performance can slow, especially on older systems. This may cause delays when processing larger projects, making it less efficient for users handling detailed or multi-layered content. 3. Pricing structure. Though Flux AI offers a decent free version, some of its most advanced features, such as motion tracking and faster processing times, are locked behind a premium subscription. For creators working with tight budgets, this pricing model may be a challenge, especially when compared to other platforms that offer similar features at different price points. Conclusion. Flux AI is your creative secret weapon for producing jaw-dropping videos at lightning speed. With features like scene flow detection and auto-color enhancement, Flux AI takes the drudgery out of editing, allowing you to create content that's both professional and engaging. It's perfect for influencers, marketers, and filmmakers who want to focus on creativity rather than getting bogged down by manual tasks. Fun fact: Flux AI is a state-of-the-art image generation module developed by Black Forest Labs. It leverages advanced machine learning algorithms to create high-quality, detailed images from text prompts, making it an invaluable tool for artists, designers, and creatives. And that's the magic of Flux AI. For more tips, tricks, and deep dives into tech, don't forget to follow and keep exploring. Let's revolutionize the way you create.